For what values of k the given system is consistent and solve complete, right? So the given system is x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 4x plus y plus 10z is equal to k square, and 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to k. So for what values of k, the system is consistent and solve completely. This is the question. So for this purpose, I'm starting with my solution with writing this system in the matrix form, right? Now this can be put in the form Ax is equal to b because the unknown vector x, I'm taking x as first unknown. Its coefficients in these equations, they act as they contribute as a first row of this quotient matrix, and the second unknown is y. So the quotients of y, they act as the second column for this quotient matrix A. As the third unknown is z in x, the quotients of z, they are 1, 10, 4. They act as the third column in A. And right side, we shall see that constants are 1, k square, k. They act as the column matrix B. Since this column matrix B is not exactly zero or a null matrix, the given system is non-homogeneous. So immediately I need to consider the augmented matrix AB. Now my aim is to make this augmented matrix uh, let us try to this put this AB to echelon form. We shall see this in the next slide. Now, now consider the augmented matrix AB. Now consider the augmented matrix AB. AB. So this is AB. So this AB is equal to, now the entries of A are 1, 1, 1, and second row 4, 1, 10, 2, 1, 4. The entries of B are 1, k square, k, right? So to make to put this in a row echelon form, first of all identify the 1 1 location element. This is non-zero element, so it should be first pivotal element, and making use of this element, the rest of the non-zero elements below this are 4 2. They are to be made 0. So that is why I'm going for the operation, two operations on R2 R3. To apply these two operations, just write the structure. Okay, so that means R, right? Now the entries of okay, because stars are located in second and third rows, I need to write 2 3 2 3 here, and circle is located in first row. So that is why it should be 1 and 1, and first brackets are meant for the circle, second brackets are meant for stars, 4 2, right? Tilde, that means we get an equivalent matrix. That is, so that is why I'm writing tilde now, right? So R1 will not be affected, but the entries of R2 will be affected. Now instead of stars, we just write 0, and for the remaining elements, just do what I'm saying. 1 into 1, 1 into 1 minus 4 into 1, that is 1 minus 4 is 3, so it should be minus 3. And 1 into 10 minus 4 into 1, 10 minus 4 is 6, it should be 6. 1 into k square minus 4 into 1, that means k square minus 4, this is right. Likewise 1 into 1 minus let me explain through okay, pointer. So 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1, so that will be 1 minus 2, that will be uh, minus 1, minus 1, that should be here. Next next again 1 into 4 minus 2 into 1, so what I'm getting, so 1 into 4 minus 2 into 1, that will be 4 minus 2, that is 2, right? Next 1 into k, 1 into k minus 2 into 2 into 1, k minus 2, k minus 2, right? Now similarly we go to the to location, because this is a non-zero element, it should be second pivotal element or second leading element. Making use of this second pivotal element, the rest of the non-zero elements in below this are to be make zero. So only one non-zero element is there, one star is there, so I need to apply only one operation, for which this is the structure. Now star is located in the third row, so it should be 3 3, and circle is located in second row, so it should be 2, and first brackets are meant for contribution of circle, and second brackets are meant for the contribution of stars minus 1, right? Now I am applying this operation conveniently, so that I am getting, okay, r1 and r2 will not be affected, so 0 minus 3 6 k square minus 4, r1 and r2 will not be affected, only r3 will be affected. Now the elements to the left of star will be the same 0, and in place of star should write 0. Now for the rest of the elements just proceed what I am saying. Minus 3 into 2, so minus 3, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 1 into 6, so minus 6, minus of minus plus 6, so that means what I am getting, minus 6 plus 6, that is going to be 0. Is it clear? AD minus BC. So what I'm getting, 0 here. Next minus 3 into this. So that means minus 3 into k minus 2 minus minus 1 into k square minus 4. So what I'm getting, minus into minus plus k square minus 4. Right? So that means after simplifying this, what I'm getting. So tilde. So tilde. So this will be 1 1 1 1 0 minus 3 6 k square minus 4 0 0 0, and after simplifying this, what I am getting, so this is k square minus 4, so this will be minus 3k plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 minus, sorry, minus 3k plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2 plus 2 plus k square, right? So that means this is k square minus 3k plus 2, right? Now similarly, uh, now this is in the echelon form, right? Now the number of non-zeros the before the first non-zero elements in succeeding rows, they form an increasing sequence. That is why this is in the echelon form. This is in the row echelon form. Row echelon form. Hence, shall see that what is the rank of A? That means the portion of A, the portion of A which is equivalent to this first three rows. So that is in the echelon form. Okay. So for this matrix, this is the equivalent. A is equivalent to this box, and this is in echelon form, and two non-zero rows are there in this circle. That means that is where rank of A is nothing but the number of non-zero rows in this circle. So that means what I'm getting, 2, because rank of A is 2. If this k square minus 2k minus 3k plus 2, if that is 0, what will that is non-zero, what will happen? Rank of AB will be 3. So that if k square minus 3k plus 2 is non-zero, then definitely rank of AB definitely 3. So that inconsistent, the system will be inconsistent system will be inconsistent, and no solutions in this case. So to make the system consistent, we must have k square minus 3k plus 2. It should be 0, and that should be 0 only when k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 2. So for the remaining portion, now Now, our AB, so as this is equivalent to 1 1